Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Matthias Meier. I am a medical doctor in southern Germany, and I have been practicing medicine for about 15 years now. I have specialized in the reversal of chronic diseases independent of the diagnosis, which might be something that you have not heard of before, or at least I'm not aware of any other medical doctors who specialize this way. Now, the reason I got into this holistic approach is because during my 2 residencies in orthopedic trauma surgery and in physical and rehabilitative medicine, I encountered very many patients here in Germany who are very frustrated with the way the medical system works, namely by treating the symptoms but not addressing the underlying cause, with maybe the exception of trauma surgery. And that made me think about how our medical system works and about the history of modern medicine, which is about 120 years old. And if you look at how public health, especially in the Western world, and especially in the US, has developed during that same time period, you will see that chronic diseases have skyrocketed. Nowadays, 54% of all US children have at least one chronic disease, and in the adult population, it's even worse. At the age of 60, the average American takes about 13 different medications every day. Now, that doesn't seem like something nature has intended us to do, and it is usually blamed on genetics. But genetics is something that you would think would make one generation to the next healthier and healthier to adapt to the environment, but that's exactly what's not going on. So with that in mind, I tried to take a different route and try to actually stimulate healing instead of just treating symptoms. And that's actually been proving a lot more successful than the way that I did medicine before. So I decided to do this channel. I've already started it in German. It will be like a dictionary of videos in alphabetical order of all chronic diseases that I can think of. I will explain how they develop. I will explain what symptoms there are, and I will tell you what are the standard therapies in modern medicine and which approaches you might want to consider from a holistic point of view in order to actually heal and not just treat your symptoms. Now, the German version does not translate exactly to the English version concerning the alphabet order of the diseases. So if the order seems a bit off to you, please excuse that, but don't worry. My English friends will have the exact same information as my German ones. So it will be something that will take a few years because I will come out weekly with new videos. And so if you are willing to take this journey through physiology with me, which I'll explain to you in terms that everyone can understand, I would be honored if you subscribe to my channel and meet me next week with the letter A, starting with Achilles tendon problems, which is pretty close to home base for me, it being an orthopedic trauma surgeon. So I'll have something to say about that. Until then, I wish you a good week and stay healthy.